YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Now, as you saw in the last video, this old girl, my U4186 Senior, exploded, and it was the suppressor. With the help of Hoover, done a nice chat with him, we managed to get the, obviously already take the suppressor out. We joined the two cables back together, two wires, and she runs back into life. So, enjoy this very short demo of her living again. And there we go. Fantastic to get a vintage machine working again. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.